cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today's day number 11 of Writer's Prompt, or 365 days of self-discovery. And before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And go follow my social link pages linked down in the description box below. So go ahead and check them out. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh, that's 3, 2, 1. There you go. So if you guys didn't do it in those 5 seconds, then you're gonna have to pause this video, I guess, and go ahead and check them out, because I'm lit over there and I'm fun. So yeah. Number 11 of Writer's Prompts. What is our topic of the day? Comment down below topic of the day, or comment down below Writer's Prompt or inspiration. Oh, I like that one. It's better. Comment down below inspiration, because me, I am excited. Let's see. The first thing I picked out is good vibes. What makes you smile and what makes you happy? Well, there's a lot of things that makes me smile. Especially, I like my family is number one. They make me happy. Sometimes we either get on each other's nerves, and most of the time they get on my nerves and I get on their nerves. It's a circle life. We get on each other's nerves, but even though we mess with each other, that's how, well, for them, that's how they show their happy, how they wish to care. And for me, I show by love or hugs or stuff like that. Because we each are different in our own ways, and we try to show it in our different ways, but we also gotta understand that we're all each other like different from one another. So we show each other love in different ways, which is the next thing I'm gonna say. Like, what makes me smile? Yeah, what makes me smile? I smile a lot when someone makes a good joke. Like, especially my sister, she makes me laugh like a lot. And when I see someone else is messing with each other, like showing that they just messing with each other, not like it's like intense or anything, but if there's someone just messing with each other, that makes me smile. Seeing someone else happy